this is Chef Harpal and I'm here with some fantastic barbecue recipes, and this is especially for you. Now, people who love barbecue, this is for them. I'm making Afghani Murgh kebab, Afghani chicken kebab, Murgh as in chicken, okay? To make Afghani kebab, what we need to do is first, okay, take the chicken. So I've taken 2 chicken legs here, whole chicken legs. Cut them into 2. You have drumstick and the thigh. Okay, some slits in here. This I have shown it in my earlier videos too. 3 slits and 1 here at the nerve. Okay, this is what you need to do. Same on the thigh. Okay, 3 slits. Put the chicken in a bowl. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Black pepper, half a teaspoon. Green chili paste, half a teaspoon. Salt to taste, and you can keep doing the people who have heard, keep doing that in your houses. Okay, juice of 1 lime. Add this. Now rub this properly. Keep the chicken aside for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, take about 8 to 10 cashew nuts whole. You can just boil them here for about maximum 3 to 4 minutes, and then you need to grind them. As the cashew nuts are ready, what I'm going to do is remove the cashew nuts and grind them to a fine paste. Now the quantity is just about enough for the chicken that I have taken. To this I'm going to add a little bit of water and grind this to a fine paste. Remove in a bowl. In the pan, 1 tablespoon of oil, carom seeds 1/4 teaspoon, and as the carom seeds erupt and you get a nice flavor, you need to add 1 tablespoon of gram flour. 1 minute is what is required to get the nutty flavor from gram flour on medium flame. Remember that, not on a high flame. High flame, you'll burn the gram flour. So control the flame in your house. As this is done, what I need to do is remove in a bowl, to which I added the cashew nut paste. Now all this goes into the chicken. You need to add green cardamom powder, a pinch of it, and half teaspoon garam masala powder. Or you can browse my YouTube channel for garam masala, Indian garam masala. Okay, some more black pepper to this, 1/4 teaspoon. Yogurt, 1 tablespoon. Mix this up well. Okay, now the typical Indian way of doing it. And finally, add some fresh cream. Nice fresh cooking cream, about 3 tablespoons. So the chicken is now ready. It needs to rest for about an hour or 2, as convenient to you. An hour is also good, but 2 hours is optimum. Very good. Let it rest for about 2 hours. After about an hour or so, what we need to do is preheat the oven for about 15 minutes, okay, at 240 degrees, which I have done. And let me take out the tray and put the chicken in it. So here's the tray. Some oil for basting so that the chicken does not stick. Also very important. Now what I'm going to do is take the chicken pieces. Okay, so the chicken is in here. You don't need skewering. For people who have an OTG, similar temperatures as maximum as possible in an OTG. Suppose if you have 240, do it 240, 220, then do it 220. 220 means little longer is what the time is for cooking. 240 means the top texture gets better and it gets that little, browned up, which looks like you've done in a tandoor. People doing in a frying pan can of course do it in a frying pan. Heat the frying pan to a complete high and then put the chicken. As it colors, bring it to medium. That's what you need to do. Now is keep it for about 12 minutes minimum. Okay, minimum. It'll cook between 12 to 15 minutes, not before that. And midway, somewhere around 6 to 8 minutes, I need to take it out, put the final marinade on top again, the balanced marinade, and put it back. So do basting in between also. So that's the time required to cook this chicken, 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, so in between, turn it around. After about 8 minutes, we need to check the chicken. And there you see the chicken, it's nicely colored. That's because the temperature of the oven needs to be at 240. Only then you get this texture. Turn it around. Put the rest of the marinade. And little bit of oil on top. Chicken goes back into the oven again for about 5-6 minutes. So my platter is now ready and the chicken is also ready inside. Let's take it out. Now that's what the chicken looks like, beautiful, well barbecued because the temperatures were right. If you like the sauce, this one, you can always use it. At home, definitely yes. I certainly would recommend. Okay. And next, a little bit of chaat masala if you like it. And just for garnish, I'm just sprinkling a little bit of red chilli around. Make it look good. Now that's a beautiful Afghani kebab. Ready. It's a little peppery. It's not all that spicy. Pepper is what you taste. Creaminess comes from the cream. Okay, there's some richness from the cashew nuts also. It's a brilliant kebab when it is done on the bone. That's when you love it. So if you do it on the bone, it's the best kebab. So enjoy more of barbecue recipes coming soon on YouTube in English, just for you.